I'll tell you a secret, Jamaica. Can I tell you a secret tonight?
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of the Burna Boy concert live in Kingston, Jamaica.
Rihanna! Okay. You never know, Rihanna and ASAP might just walk through right here. Alright, so right now we're actually... Oh wow. Oh wow, so we're still here. This is now at 12:07 and we're waiting for Burna Boy to enter the stage to perform. I think the crowd, they're getting restless.
We want justice.
Yeah.
We want justice. This will not prevail. We need justice. Reparations. We need compensation. And we need Burna.
Okay.
That's what we need. We got Tony.
Okay, he's here.
We got popcorn.
This crowd how it feels to be on the stage right now in front of you, Jamaica. This feels like a homecoming. You understand? This feels like a long-lost brother coming to see his long-lost brothers and sisters. This is fucking amazing, and I can't begin to thank each and every one of you enough for coming out. On that note, we're gonna turn up tonight. Let's go! So don't get comfortable because anything can happen in this show. Anything happen. Jamaica. Can I tell you a secret tonight? Bro, when I was like fucking like 16 or 15 or 14 or something like that, I used to be in London and stuff, right? And then I'll go to the barber shop every time and they'll play this song. Love you, girl, like a feels the same. I don't I knew I had to work with this motherfucker one day, man. Jamaica, man. Me and you have so much history, but you don't even know. I'm here tonight to, juggle your memory and let you know and make you understand. Now, as you see me, I come from a far place from Otago, Nigeria, but I'm still Jamaican. You're all Nigerian. So it's only right down here tonight, man. And I feel so blessed and honored, man. I wanna be here, right? I wanna hold you so tight, down and closer. It's what I right? But maybe still hold you. You will never nice out. Whenever I go, you make me feel wrong. Whenever I go, you never nice together. I think I just love you. Hold you for my hand. 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 Over and over again. Yeah, my love is burning, baby. Feels like time is frozen. The night is for us. We're alone again. Every moment's golden. Feeling fly and golden. It must be love. Whenever I go, yeah, you make me feel home. Whenever I go, yeah, you care for my soul. Wherever you go, yeah, that's where I go, my own. Whenever you go, yeah, I'll be letting you go.
Go!
And I want to be dancing with you forever. You speak through the storm and take me in as I am. Jamaica! Baby, it's magic every time that we're together. I think I just love you. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. My hand. My hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. My hand. My hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. It's been girls who's looking. Everybody say let's go. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. So make a come check you my baby. Darkness on probation. Another 5 years. It's been girls who's looking. It's been girls who's looking.